Welcome back to episode 10 of Facts to Know. In this video, we are presenting some exciting random facts. Let's begin. Here we go. Fact number 10. Do you know why people say bless you or God bless you when you sneeze? Okay, in the 14th century, one of the symptoms of the bubonic plague was coughing and sneezing. And it is believed that Pope Gregory the Great of Italy suggested saying God bless you after a person sneezed in hopes that this prayer would protect them from an otherwise certain death. From then on, it has become a part of a good etiquette. Fact number 9. Do you know the oldest word in the English language is down? Fact number 8. Did you know French fries are originally from Belgium? Fact number 7. Do you know penguin is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly? Fact number 6. Do you know which is the first self-governing country to grant the voting rights to all adult women? Okay, here is it. The current Prime Minister of that country is a woman too. Yes, it's New Zealand. Fact number 5. Did you know paper money was first used in China in 770 BC? Fact number 4. Did you know in 1920 the Soviet Union under Lenin was the first country in the world to legalize all abortions? Now I know some of the couple in relationship would say thank you to Lenin. Fact number 3. Did you know Australia was originally called New Holland after Dutch navigators charted the northern, western and southern coasts of Australia during the 17th century? This newly found continent became known as New Holland. It was the English explorer Matthew Flinders who made the suggestion of the name we use today. Fact number 2. If you take any number between 1 and 9 and multiply them by 9, the sum of the two numbers will always be 9. Here are few examples. Fact number 1. Do you know an apple, a potato and an onion all taste the same if you eat them with your nose plugged? I'm sure you will give it a try. This was it for the 10th episode of Facts to Know. Before saying bye-bye, there is an ultimate funny fact. You won't get a subscriber until you request for it. So subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Take care, bless you, bye-bye.